Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you about PlayPosit. This is actually a web-based site, web-based app that allows teachers to use video and make it interactive. You can take existing videos like YouTube videos or just any video that you might have saved, upload them, and then add some kind of activity into the video. That could be multiple choice questions, that could be just links to things like maps. One that I like to use is just YouTube videos like Crash Course, which is great for science, biology especially. So while students are watching the videos, you can insert and incorporate multiple choice questions just to make sure they're watching the video and check their understanding. Then they can always go back and watch it and retake the questions as much as they want to. So one thing that this helps with is individualized learning. Students, flipping classrooms, students can get on this at night and they can come and teach the lesson during the day and help students individually during the day even more. So it's great for classroom flipping, stuff like that. And different types of interactions you can do. Like this is showing you can insert check all, embed different web pages, um, auto-rated banks, so you can have them type in words and then if it's the correct word to get it right, multiple choice, discussion, all sorts of different things. All can be embedded into these videos. Where you can get the videos from is all over, essentially, and how you can incorporate these is with your um, LMS, things like Google Classroom, Canvas, Edmodo. For us, my school, we use Google Classroom, so it's very easy to upload your classes into PlayPosit and then assign videos and their interactive questions from the website. And then this gives you kind of a demo video. It's actually pretty cool to see how you can turn this video into an interactive video. So you can actually click and it'll send you to different videos, and then there's interactive parts in each of those. So this gives you an example of a map, and you can actually move the map. And you can close it, get out of it. It's just a cool way to make these videos interactive and then just really engage the viewer instead of just a video. And then by incorporating these other links, it sends them back to where they originally came from. Click on the other one, and then it uploads another video with, once again, embedded Google Map. So really cool things that you can do with this. This is just web embedded. Like I said, you can embed your own questions into a video. It's an informative video, like the crash course ones I was mentioning. A lot of cool things you can do, and then once again, um, incorporate your LMS, Google Classroom, Edmodo, stuff like that, and it's easy to assign to kids. So give it a try. It's a awesome resource that you can use with anything. So give it a shot. Good luck.